Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this bright metallic smooshy marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever you prefer. The colors that I'll be using today are from Color Club. The dark blue is Been There, Done Matte. The purple is You're My Soul Matte. And the turquoise is Don't Be So Dramatic. I'll be using the turquoise as my base color as well. And once I've got that applied, I'll be protecting around my nails with liquid latex. For my Smooshy, I'm going to be using my MoU London Crystal Clear Stamper, and I'm going to lay out 3 dots of each color on the top. Once you've finished all your nails, you can go ahead and clean up around the edges with a small brush dipped in acetone. Finally, once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I'm not sure when this will actually make it onto YouTube, but as I'm recording this, this is the first nail art I've done in actually a couple months. So it was kind of good to feel those creative juices flowing again. And the testing for this was actually so successful that I already have a second Smooshy planned with the other 3 colors from this collection. If If you'd actually like to see the testing as well as the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.